All right, it's Pablo here. All right, so I rinsed this area rug for quite some time. I'm not really sure how long. I used a lot of fresh water, and when it got to the point where I didn't see any more dirty water being squeegee out, I basically just go ahead and rinse a couple more times, and right now it looks pretty good. I have groomed everything towards the lighter side, and tomorrow, once everything is dry, I'm probably going to work on the fringes. I don't like to work on the fringes on the same day. It's a 2-day process for me. That's the way I like it. Just want to see the final product, the actual rug, and then I worry about the fringes. Plus, in most cases, you will see some sort of weakening or browning on the fringes on the second day. So might as well just do the fringes then, right? And that's it. And that will be a very nice cleaning process. I might do a video tomorrow on how I handle the fringes. But to me, it looks really good. Had to finish that one over there. But again, is this type of process, it cannot be accomplished on a customer's home. Absolutely cannot. And you have to be careful because some rugs, if you pay lots of money for your area rug, you want to invest at least, at least I would say $2 to $4 on the square feet to have a maintenance properly. Otherwise, you might end up just replacing the rug because somebody just did it wrong. But anyways, that's me for today. I will post another video tomorrow with the fringes. That's a done deal. Thanks.